All right, guys. This is Brother Sabran here. Welcome a new week. This is a beautiful, beautiful week. We'll be expecting week 34. Now, um, I'm gonna quickly do analysis on the GU, Euro USD, and SP500. These are the three major pairs that I trade, and we'll talk you through some of the trade we took last week. This week that just ended, week 33. So first of all, let's look at this is GU that we're looking at, and we want to analyze the market. This is the weekly time frame. Remember, we were anticipating this weekly movement to the upside. It's been long coming because I told you, as long as we break structure to the left, confirming two major break of structure, which push up that happened, it was a clear confirmation that we should be anticipating an upside, which we did, and we're able to smash it from there last this week that just ended. Beautiful buy opportunity that we got there. So the question is, where is the market going? That's the question. Where are we looking at right now? For those of you that have been following us on this channel, hit the subscribe button if you have not done so, and also hit the like button because this is what we do, and we expect that you're learning how to look at the market, how to analyze currency pairs every week. This is just for you. So ensure you practice whatever you watch. Always practice and go to your chart and plot these things on your chart as soon as you watch this video. Very important so that you begin to prepare for your trading week. First of all, we can see that the market on the weekly time frame, we have this high here, which is a very strong psychological level. And also we have a minor structure here, which is on the lower time frame based on structure. We'll be able to use that as a target point. But at the moment, the main weekly high that we're looking at is that this very high that I just marked. We are not looking to sell right now. So don't even look at the bottom and create like support and resistance. That's not what we're doing. The reason I marked this high right here is because that's our TP area for next week. We're anticipating a TP. So that's what we're looking at before we can start thinking of a retracement or price action or anything that might affect price. So that's what I'm looking at. That's number one. Number two is to go to the daily. So we switch to the daily. And now on the daily, we want to mark this high because as a scalper or as a day trader, you will be measuring this area for price action. Okay, let me just quickly do that. So to measure that area for price action. For those of you who scalp, that's a very good opportunity to take your first few pips on the market off and get out. But let me show you what's about to happen here on this pair. What I'm looking for on this pair is this. I want price. Price will come open. This is the closure of the market. Market close up here. So when it opens, I'm expecting price to tag down a little bit. Worst case scenario, into 50% of that bullish candle, and then before it push up. So what you're going to be waiting for is not to sell. Do not try to sell when price is dropping because it might drop. Watch out as soon as the market opens. You'll notice two things. Either the market open because this is the closure of this bullish candle, the closing price, and it's going to open right at the closing price. It might gap. The market might gap up a little bit to take out liquidity that is up here and then drop. But while he does that, he's going to create Asia section liquidity at the bottom, whatever it is. Watch out for that liquidity to be taken and then anticipate a buy from here. That's number one. Number two, you can literally wait for price to break this high. Okay? You want to wait for price to break the high. Okay? Where that price is. Okay? You want to wait for price to break this high right here. Okay. And then maybe if you are those who trade break and retest, you might want to do that. Wait for a break. Price pullback, retrace back up. If you don't know what to do to get in here, my students already know what to expect at that pullback. They know what they're looking for. And you just know what to do. Look for the liquidity areas, look for uh, uh, um, field retracement key levels, whatever it is, look for something there and buy because this is the area you will look for opportunity to buy. Otherwise, you wait for price to break and retest before you continue to the upside. Those are the two ways you're going to trade this. We are still very much bullish. So your TP area is that previous weekly high. For the week, you want to look at that area before any other thing. So the first day, the first 2 days you want to trade, that's what you want to target. Okay. Now, on this bullish candle that you just see, expect a pullback. It's not going to keep rallying like that. It's done a massive push up and it's going to retrace with one candle and then before pulling back up again. It might even close bearish on the first day, which is Monday or Tuesday. It might close bearish. The candle might push down and close bearish around this level. Expect that to happen. But don't be moved because you are not selling the market, you're buying. So you'll be looking for price action at these key areas. Let me just show you what I'm trying to tell you. This is the fib here. Okay, I'll put the fib just on the right there, just on the price. That's what you're looking for. Do you see that key area there? Yeah. You want to look for price action within 38 and 30 and 50. Worst case scenario, they'll smash down to 61, but they don't do that most of the time. So on the lower time frame, that's where the magic happens. You want to see price action in those lower time frame and beginning to see whether there's liquidity grab or anything, and then you push to the upside. That's what I'm looking to do. So if I go to the 4 hour time frame right now, you will see that that's exactly you see this massive impulsive move. So if I was to use this fib, take that fib to this low, and measure that impulsive move that just happened, then we should be looking at price action there. But because I only use the daily candle, that's why I'm measuring that. So worst case scenario, it might come to 31. But if you want to, I mean 38. If you want to sell from there on the lower time frame, you can. There's nothing wrong with it. All you need to do is to expect price action. What is price action? Now, I will not have time to discuss most of these things, but what you want to look at for is that first of all, a key level that price broke below the opening price of the previous day. So you want to look at that and then or wait for this 4 hour break. Then price is already gone. So for that reason, I will not even dare to sell. I'll wait for a buy. But you can sell it, scalp it if you want. But this is the area you should be looking for price. Now, this is very simple analysis. I'm not going to do all this unnecessary top-down stuff. This is it. And this is what I expect you to trade. So let's move to Euro USD. Now, Euro USD has given us a very good price action after breaking out of that consolidation phase that we have been looking at on the weekly time frame. You see, it's gradually breaking out of that zone right now. So, which is great. We see the structure being broken, the first mass instruction that has happened. So we have that break push up. So we should be anticipating price action here as well. On Euro USD on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting that price will react here on this key level. So this week area here. But let's just be positive to expect price coming here for the week. So that's what you're targeting for the week. But expect a pullback just as much as we're expecting pullback on GU. So we should be expecting a minor pullback here and then a rally. So if you want to really do this, I would suggest you first of all take your first TP within this area, within this high here. Take your first TP there and then anticipate whatever happens. Or you may use the body of the candle, which is fine. But for me, I'm looking at that. Let me show you what I mean on the daily. If you go to the daily, you observe something that is interesting on the candle. That's a closure of bullish candle to the upside. So we're going to look for buy. That's number two. We're going to look for buy. So wait for break. out of this zone. So I would suggest you wait for price. If there is no pullback on this candle, if there is no pullback on this candle, then there's going to be a rally. So on the 4-hour time frame, will be better for us to look at it. So we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, price is just barely breaking the high, and then there's still wick that need to be filled. Okay, there's still wick that need to be filled. So how do we know what is actually correct for this? Where's price going? Use your fib. You see this impulsive move that moved from here, this rally that happened from here to that upside that we're looking at right now. Okay, to where this wick is. That's the point. So this candle will still push up. So what you want to see is that there's a retracement when it gets to this key level. It might touch this key level and retrace. So you want to wait for that retracement and continue to the upside, because price is coming to 21 minus 21, 27, sorry, minus 27 point. Price is coming there on that fib. It's coming to this level here for a TP, or eventually spark and come to the previous high, break that high. Is coming. So all you need to wait for here is a pullback. Wait for that pullback to happen before you get in, because it's already gone. If you have measured this place, this would have been your opportunity to buy last week if you were watching Euro USD, and that's a massive push up there, as you can see. So now you have to wait for the price to pull back again. You have to break structure. If there is no break of structure, listen, what I'm telling you, you should wait for is this. Wait for price to break this high and then pull back. He will definitely pull back before eventually touching and even coming to this high. So that's what you want to see. You want to see this structure happen. Wait for this pullback to happen. Okay, maybe a breakout may not touch that high and then reject a little bit, come back by breaking this high, and then create a double top, like a kind of liquidity pool, and then rally up to take it out. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. Is a bullish market, is rallying up. We already see the breakout of consolidation phase. So it's heading up. Let's look at SP500 quickly. Yeah, I took this trade SP500 on Friday. This is my trade on Friday on SP500. But nevertheless, we just removed the join, and let's look at the market. Of course, SP500 is a bullish market. You don't need to think twice about it. This is a market that is strongly bullish, as you can see on the 4-hour. Then right now, price has broken this high. So this is the next high we're looking at on the daily. So I will not go too far to look at. Let me just show you the weekly how it looks like anyway. But yeah, as you can see, it's a massive big candle that's telling us that, you know what, this retracement is done. It's done. And if you put your feet there anyway, I was expecting this whole move on SP500, so it was a clear cut. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. And with that, I knew that we are going to smash the whole week. And we were just buying. I was just buying this SP500. I think I traded it twice last week. And it was a buy market for me. And GU, I traded it twice. So I traded 4 pairs, four trades this last week. Two buy on GU, and two buys on SP500. I haven't traded Euro USD for a while, so those are the 2 pairs right now. So at the moment, yeah, we're still bullish. So this is it. This is the weekly candle. So what I'll need to do is to go to daily. When I get to the daily, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like this candle that rejected. So the next candle is going to rally up. So what we need to, because this imbalance need to be filled. So what we're expecting now is an opening candle that will tap into this high. So this is a beautiful trade for the week. So you can see that it's possible to just target those peeps. Beautiful. So those are the areas you're looking at. So you want to wait for a break out of the zone. Let me show you analysis, even though I've already told you what I'm looking for. So you want to expect price to break. Okay. You want to see a break and retest. So you want to see a break and retest on that high to continue to the upside. And when it does that, know that it's going to break this high. There's nothing holding it. So it's going to take out liquidity here. start breaking the high and continue to the upside. So what you want to see that the market does in continuation is that it break that high, probably retest on a lower time frame, and then rally up. And you want to watch out on a lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes time frame to see that break and retest. And then the break of the structure is the next target. If you can catch this break and retest, then you're going to target the high. If you can catch it, target that high, and then there will be another pullback, and then continuation to the upside. That's what we're looking at. And this is going to happen over and over and over again like that as the market rally on this pair, the SP500. So the bullish market rises back. So once we finally, if we break this high finally, we're going to rally up. The market has been extremely bullish. So it's a bullish market altogether right now. For the time being, it's been bullish for a long time, as you can see. So that's it, guys. That's it. So this is what I'm expecting to trade for the week, and I expect everyone to participate. Look at your charts, look at these areas, and then mark them out and expect price to go in that direction. We're bullish on Euro USD, we're bullish on GU, and we're bullish on SP500. Now, listen, even though we are bullish on all of these pairs, understand that there will be a necessary retracement based on the bullish momentum that this market is doing. You have to look out for that retracement. So if you want to trade retracement, which if you are good at trading reversal, there's nothing wrong. You can look out for support and resistance or reversal pattern on the candle, patterns behavior that you see, or whatever time frame that you trade, and also the type of trader that you are. If you are a day trader or you're a scalper, then look for those opportunity on lower time frames, and then be able to look for liquidity grab or whatever you look for in the market, and then look for that bias to buy all the time. You're looking for buys, except you want to trade against the trend. Definitely, you can do a little sell and then do another buy, depending. The market is giving both people, both sellers and buyers, opportunity in the market, so you'll be able to catch that. So thank you, guys. That's all I have to say today, and I believe you guys have enjoyed this section. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. This is Trader Sabra here, still here, breathing live and trading as usual. And I will see you in the coming week. Until then, collect all the pips you can. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.